Hey everybody, Big Cav here, out in the messy shop. But doing a little project right now. I'm doing some 6x9 trim rings for a stereo for a buddy of mine. And I went and I picked up the Central Machinery 1x30" belt sander. And got it all set up. Played with it a little bit. And it's okay. It's not the power horse, but it does what it's supposed to. So that's what it is. It was really simple. I had to install this and this tensioner that locks the plate in, and I see what everybody's talking about with it twisted and stuff. I'm gonna find a way to maybe lock that down a little better. I'm not too jazzed with it, but it works. It does what it's supposed to, and I'll give you a little demonstration. Now I'm going real gentle, if you can hear me. So I'll show y'all. Just take a little bit at a time. I was going real gentle. So I like it. I like the way it's working. It's fairly quiet. It's not that loud. So that's what I got going. That's it. It's not bad. And I think with the one modification to fix the work surface here, I did screw it down to some MDF just temporarily, just to kind of get me going and check it out. I just used some little drywall screws, nothing spectacular. But I like it, and I'll go ahead and recommend this one and say this one's good for what it is. I mean, you're not gonna trim metal, or you might be able to smooth a little bit of metal. I did get all 3 different styles of belts. So the 80 grit, I think it's a 120, and then the metal oxide metal belt. So go get one. Good stuff.